Today I'm turning myself into a catfish inspired by Stephanie, who's also known as Beasteater. This girl. Love her makeup. I just love her whole vibe, her style, her green and her black hair. I love it. So we're gonna be a second her. This makeup is gonna be exactly her makeup. I'm gonna put my own little twist on it. My hair has been so crusty. I'm just tempted to like chop it all off at this point. Mary Kay Bratton, let's go. I'm using dark blonde. And we just gotta shape them a little bit. I made my eyebrows smaller than she does hers because I just like smaller, thinner looking eyebrows personally. But if you like thicker eyebrows, that's fine as well. Eyeshadow palette I'll be using today is the Nicotia palette by Morphe. Super pretty, a whole bunch of different colors. Totally adorable. Priming my eyes with the Mary Kay eye primer. This is the color BB Boy. And I'm just gonna put it all over. This is one of the most pigmented blues I've ever used. This is amazing, but I got underneath, but it's okay, I'll fix it. Holy blue, but we're gonna mix it with something else. Next I have like this pinkish glitter that I'm just gonna put all over the eye. Just everywhere. Next some light pink under the eye. I've really been into more colorful looks lately. I don't know why, but they're fun. Okay, why is this looking Eastery to me now? I don't really think this is what kind of eye makeup she would do. She usually goes for just like bronzer and then lashes. That's usually what she does. And then she'll do her eyeliner, but I don't know. I'm adding my own twist. I guess we're just gonna do the eyeliner now. So I went for like a more puppy eyeliner look. We'll just see. Let's put on the lashes. These are very curly ones. Okay, now what is really gonna make us look like her is contouring a ton, using a ton of bronzer, and most of all, a ton of blush. I'm using an excessive amount of bronzer up here, and I'm gonna just... That last face I made was kind of gross, I just realized that. I'm gonna put my contour like this, now I'm gonna bake on the sides. By the way, what I'm using is Mary Kay translucent powder. Works great. I think that's long enough. Now we're just gonna bronzer underneath. Here we go. Now, the part you've all been waiting for. The blush. How much blush is too much blush? Because I don't know. Okay, I think that's good enough. Now our lips cover in foundation. I'm using Mary Kay's light nude lip liner and just lining my lip naturally. Next I use this pink eyeshadow and put it on my lip. Now I'm going to go in and highlight. And this is the final look. Tell me what you think.